Good morning YouTube. Hopefully you guys are doing all right. And before we start this video, it is Saturday right now. It is Saturday today, so there's no trades, but I did record Wednesdays and Thursdays trade. I didn't take a trade on Monday, Tuesday, or Friday. So I did take on Tuesday and Thursday. I did take a trade. I did film everything already. But before going into the trading, I'm gonna head to the gym, get my workout in, and I'm done with the workout. I'll head back here and we'll get right into the charts. All right, so we are headed to the gym. And if you guys didn't notice already, on my banner, I put one way to profitability is consistency. Basically, you know, if you're not consistent when trading, when doing things you have to do in life, and if you're not consistent, nobody else is gonna do it for you. So you have to be consistent every single day, in and out. You have to be disciplined, you have to be consistent, you have to stay focused on the things you want to do and the things you want to achieve in life. If there's no consistency, there's no money to be made from the markets. If there's no consistency, there's no making your body better in the gym. There's no consistency, there's no making money outside of trading. So everything just leads back to consistency. Without me being consistent of going to the gym, getting these reps in on the market, me going to work, I wouldn't be where I'm at right now. Alright, so my camera did unfortunately die in the gym. I didn't get as much clips as I wanted to. But I'm on my way to the mall now. I'm gonna pick up a few things, and then I'm gonna show you guys the trade recaps from Thursday and Wednesday when I get home. Alright, so I didn't take any trades on Monday, Tuesday, or Friday. I took trades Thursday and Wednesday. So we're gonna go over these trades that I took. We ended up losing both, but I'm gonna show you guys because there's no hiding any secrets here. Anyway, so we're on to the 1 hour, and this is for Wednesday's trade. So we're on the 1 hour, and we have this drawn liquidity marked out, right? So as soon as market opens, let's go to 5 minute real quick. Okay, so as soon as market opens, we dump down and take out this drawn liquidity. So what do we do next? We wait for a 5 minute retrace, right? So we got this 5 minute retrace right around here. So we got this up candle, and then we got a down candle. So the down candle is the 5 minute retrace. We got this up, a move up and a move down. So the red candle is the 5 minute retrace. So once we get the 5 minute retrace, we hop into the 1 minute. Hold on, it's mad far. Okay, we hop into the 1 minute. So once we get the 5 minute retrace right here, right, we see moves up now. So we created the fair value gap here. Show you guys, get closer to the screen. we created this fair value gap here, and we had pushes out of the fair value gap, which is perfect. So, but before we look for any of those confluences, you want to firstly, which is most important, look for a break of structure. Make sure you get a break of structure before you look into the other confluences, okay? So we get the break of structure right here after the 5-minute retrace. So it's a 5-minute retrace, a break of structure, then fair value gap entry. So we did get a break of structure here. We got moves up. We did create a fair value gap. We did create 2. 1 didn't get tapped into, but 1 did. So we ended up entering off this fair value gap here, and stops were this candle open, right? So it's a 1, 2, 3 candlestick pattern, right? And whatever 3 candles that made the fair value gap, we're just gonna put it under the last candle because we did enter off a fair value gap. And take profit this was the first take profit, right? But I'm not gonna take profit off there. This was my final take profit, right? So this was my first take profit. If I would have tapped into this fair value gap, my stop loss would have went to break even, and I would have had a zero losing day that day, $0 losing day that day. But it ended up not happening. It ended up reversing and stopping me out. So let's move on to the next trade on Thursday. So right here, similar to Wednesday. It's really similar to Wednesday. So yeah, so we have this 4-hour, I think it was a 4-hour or 1 hour, I think it was a 1 hour draw on liquidity here, right? So once we tap into this fair value gap, what the fuck, as soon as we tap into this draw on liquidity here, we wait for a 5-minute retrace. So at market open, this is market open, we tap into here, and this is 35. We look for a 5-minute retrace. So we have this up candle and this down candle right here. So a move up, then a move down. The 5-minute retrace is these 2 candles right here. So once we get that, all right, once we get that, let's see, once we get this 5-minute retrace right here, I'll show you guys this 5-minute retrace right here, we see moves up. So like I said, always wait for a break of structure. There's a break of structure right here, before the fair value gap. So we get the break of structure, we get the fair value gap, we get taps into the fair value gap, and we get moves out of it. So I entered at this candle right here. Let me take this stupid magnet off. We entered at this fair value gap right there. Take profit was at a high. I think it was a 1-hour high that was here. I think I erased it, but it was a 1-hour high. And stop loss, again, I entered off a fair value gap. So 1, 2, 3, the last candle that created the fair value gap, which is here. Which is here. So that would be my stop loss, and my take profit would be high time frame draws on liquidity. Well, that's pretty much it, and hopefully next week we can get a better trading week, because this week was really bad for me. I have not had a single week that I have not won, but it is what it is. Market is really bad right now. So next week we have a no news Monday. On Tuesday we have my throat consumer confidence, and then we have this is NFP week. So NFP week is a tough week to be trading, but we're not gonna let that stop us. We are gonna be on the charts, and we are gonna be active. So you guys seen, took 2 L's in a row. Didn't trade Friday because Friday's price action was shit as well. But I understand that in this trading business, you know, even if you're profitable, you're still gonna have weeks like this where you're not gonna win at all, like at all. You could be the best trader in the world and you're still gonna have losing days, losing weeks, losing streaks, you know. So I'm not too upset with losing twice this week. I did say I wanted a flawless week. Obviously that did not end up happening, but it's okay, you know, it's okay. It's part of the game. I'm gonna show you guys every single loss, every single win. We're just gonna have to get better, right? And try harder next week. Like I said, next week is NFP week. So it might just even be worse. The markets might even be worse and even more choppy. But I pray that there's something that the market makers do and make price action really good. Anyway, I'm on the way to my job now. On to Slave Mart. You know, we love that job. I fucking hate that job. But we're on the way to Slave Mart. I do work 2 to 10 today. Got myself a hot chocolate because it's cold as hell outside. They got me outside in the parking lot, just standing there making sure people don't park where they're not supposed to be. So there's really nothing much to record. It's just me standing in the middle of the parking lot, just making sure people don't park there. So that's pretty much it. It is the next day. I just woke up and I didn't get to film an outro yesterday, so this is the outro. Just make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.